In a daring effort to reimagine premium mobility, Maserati is changing gears towards an electric future. The Italian carmaker has revealed a strategy to put them at the head of the pack after successfully navigating the early electrification initiatives. Maserati is pledging to build each and every one of their cars in Italy, which is what makes this strategy unique. This choice isn't merely based on precedent, it's about reimagining the role of electrification in the annals of premium automobiles. Maserati is redoubling its efforts in the electric mobility space with the goal of developing electric vehicles that meet the changing demands of the premium automobile market. In Europe, the business has already debuted the Grecale Fulgore and Grand Turismo Fulgore electric variants. On the other hand, their electronic transition is only just starting. With the Grand Cabrio Fulgore, Maserati will add open-air electric driving to their roster later this year. Their next all-electric sports car, the MC20 Fulgore, is scheduled to make its premiere in 2025. In 2027, Maserati is planning to release an E-segment electric crossover, marking their entrance into the premium crossover market. The classic Quattroporte will become part of the electric revolution by 2028, further solidifying Maserati's commitment to a future powered entirely by electricity. This change will be made possible thanks to Maserati's massive investment in its Modena factory. The Fuoriserie customizing program, which lets clients build customized automobiles according to their tastes, will be housed in this building, which will receive major renovations. With a solid business strategy centered on preserving their dominant position in the luxury automobile category even as the industry transitions to electric power, Maserati highlights its distinctive position as the sole luxury brand inside the Stellantis group. Maserati plans to maintain its premium appeal and compete in the ever-changing market by meticulously balancing production quantities with profitability. Maserati CEO David Grasso reaffirmed this goal, saying the firm is leading the charge to electrification with all its might. Fully electric versions of two of Maserati's most famous models are already on the market, he said, and the company is planning even more impressive and thrilling vehicles in the future. Embracing electric mobility is just the beginning. Maserati is also committed to reimagining what it means to drive a luxury performance automobile and expanding the limits of what is possible in this age.